Hello again. Well, this is a 20mm Magnum and it's made by Padlock, and I'm going to open it up for Mini Lock Monday if I can, because it ain't straightforward. It should be straightforward, but for some reason or other it ain't, because you can't feel where the pins are. I hate picking them upside down, actually. Oh, I thought that was it. Felt like it should be it. There we go. I had too much tension on it, I reckon. Oh well, there we go. Open, made by Padlock Magnum, 99p, and money well spent. Happy days. Happy Mini Lock Monday. See you around, guys.